chicken wings are a Football Sunday staple. I am trying them for the first time on my griddle today to see if I can get a really nice crispy wing. Let's see what happens.
Super simple preparation here. I have patted dry my chicken wings. I've got flats and drums, and I'm using a rotisserie chicken seasoning and giving it a really good massage. Now, I decided since I needed to cook a pack of bacon anyway, I was going to leave that delicious flavor on the griddle and cook my chicken wings on that little bit of grease. I am just flipping and rotating every once in a while, making sure that all the sides get hit, and they're turning out pretty good. I'm gonna sauce them two different ways. I've got some buffalo wing sauce, and then the other one is just more of a classic barbecue, just to give a couple different flavors.
Yeah, these are awesome. Okay, those wings were delicious. I definitely loved the results. They reminded me a little bit of when you do chicken wings in the oven, except with the griddle, I did get a little bit of that extra crispiness on the outside and on the skin. I found that the drums didn't get as crispy as the flats, so if I was to kind of have a preference, which I like the flats better anyway, that's what I would go with. But it only took a half an hour from start to finish to get these done, and I had wings ready for game time. Can you get a fully crispy wing without deep frying it? One will only know with some trial and error. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.